I would like to share a powerful quotation in the book called Testament for the Church, Volume 5, page 216. It says, "What are you being, brethren, in the great work of preparation?" God is asking us that, what are we doing in the great work of preparation? Then it says, "Those who are uniting with the world are receiving the worldly mold and preparing for the mark of the beast." It says, those that are uniting with the world, they are receiving the worldly mold. They are receiving the worldly mold and preparing for the mark of the beast. So if we are uniting with the world, following the customs of the world, following the practice of the world, it means we are receiving the world mold, and we are preparing to receive the mark of the beast. We are preparing to receive the mark of the beast. Then it says, those who are distrustful of self, number one, who are humbling themselves before God and purifying their souls by obeying the truth, these are receiving the heavenly mold. It says, those who are distrustful of self, they don't trust themselves, they trust in God. They trust in God, they trust in Christ. They are distrustful of self, who are humbling themselves before God and purifying their souls by obeying the truth, by putting away everything and obeying the truth of God. Those, they are receiving the heavenly mold. They are receiving the heavenly mold. Then it says, and preparing for the seal of God. They are receiving the heavenly mold and preparing for the seal of God in their foreheads. Then it says, when the decree goes forth and the stamp is impressed, their character will remain pure and spotless for eternity. Their character will remain pure and spotless for eternity. But those that are uniting with the world, their character will remain. Their character will remain the same. There will be no change of character in the time of the test. Now is the time for us to prepare. Now is the time for us to prepare for the seal of God, to prepare for heavenly mold. Now is the time. Please. That's from the book Testament for the Church, Volume 5, page 216.